I need to get COVID-19 vaccines. I am 75 years old and have been getting medicines from Walgreens for years, but do not know if I am registered in Walgreens pharmacy account.
I'll do all I can to help. Can you tell me more about what's going on?
Please give me step-by-step how to get an appointment to get the COVID-19 vaccines.
Is there anything else the expert should be aware of?
I am 75 years old, August 30, 1945, and eligible to receive the shots.
Welcome to Just Answer. Answers here are for education and information. I will respond shortly with an answer or further information request. You will have to register at Walgreens, Rite Aids or CVS for the COVID vaccination separately. You can go here also, https://www.cdc.gov/coronavirus/2019-vaccines/index.html. Scroll down until you see what you can do right now. See how and when you can get vaccinated. Click the drop-down menu and choose your state. This will open a new window. On the news site, it will show you how to proceed and who to contact.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.